Me the PC builder. Yeah, trust in me, guys. I know how to build PCs. This game so far I've been playing for like an hour. I have learned how to build PCs, any kind. Boom. Wait, am I building PCs to get money? I'm gonna go poor by the end of the week. No PC, no bitches.
Ha! Got him!
Learn to build. Learn to build. Pussy. Done. Good note. You need RAM. You need RAM. Incontabile. Ay ay ay. Yeah, just check the motherboard. No, that is for pussies. We don't do that. We ain't doing like that, okay? We're doing the Mia way, okay? And this is what Mia does. I destroy PCs.
Simon, stop. Will you just wait just a little bit?
No, frick you, Nelly. Look at me, I'm building these PCs like I'm building your mama. And bed sheets. Woo! Sit. Fui. Sit down, boy. Oi. Stop. I will remove your points. Man, you and your points, I'm gonna increase shit now. Oh, they stopped. Tim, I hope you can help me. My computer has been running slower than usual. I think it might have clicked on something I should have. Do I have a virus? Jesus Christ, that literally sounds like my dad. Mia, I think my PC has virus, is running slow, and then I'm like, Dad, you have like 50 tabs open. What the f? Close them all. Look at me. I know. Oh wait, forgot to turn it off. Fuck. Yeah, I almost unplugged without turning it off. Shit. Oh, it's all good. Okay, guys. I definitely know how it works, okay? You know what? It looks pretty in my eyes. It looks like a fucking undercooked sausage. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Did I apply the paste on top of it? No. Something is not right. No, you're supposed to paste in there. Aren't you supposed to paste in there and then put this thing on? And I remember there was one part where I had to... My old fucking PC, I don't know when was it even, had one part here where graphics card couldn't fit, so my dad cut out the plastic part to fit the fucking... to fit the graphics card. I know it sounds reckless, but back then my dad did not know how a PC works, and he was like, yeah, just cut this part out. So he cut it out, and the PC was working perfectly fine afterwards. Like nothing ever happened.
Okay.